From the provider Genu is a 230-degree COB headlight. A strap that goes around the head, the light band, and a spotlight. As we open up the product to show you and demonstrate in the evening hours and what it looks like, it comes nicely packaged. It has the USB-C cable and it has the head strap. Wave your hand, gesture, the light will come on and off. Everything you need to know is in the small pamphlet and the instructions. Charging up the unit for the first time is opening up the IP-rated silicone door, plugging in. 98% charging with the little green. The COB light, 2.5 hours of runtime at 350 lumens. At 40%, 150 lumens at 5 hours. The side flashlight, 8 hours of runtime. The XPE 100% at 250 lumens at 4 hours of runtime. At 40%, 80 lumens at 8 hours of runtime. We have like a Wi-Fi signal indicator, an on and off. Those are the modes and how to change over with LED indicators and the battery percentage. And the adjustable light on top. Careful not to unscrew, everything comes apart. When lighting up the unit, the on button, the light comes on. Pressing again, it lowers. Again, the spotlight, again, and then have a rapid flash on both, and then off. Pressing the unit on and hitting the sensor, off and on, off and on by pressing, double pressing, triple pressing, pressing on and off. On the side, you have a blue light on each of the switch. The strap has 2 adjustable areas, and we'll show you what the light looks like in low level. The strap can be worn left side or right side. Button faces the top, light on, and then changing the light low, spotlight, low, rapid flash, off, and then hand, wave, and touch. As I show you over here, by touching off and on the light, waving the hand like so, and wave. Keep your hand over for temporarily, and on. You're looking to shut off. You're looking to be on high and low and spotlight. The head strap can be used indoors and outdoors, as we're showing you what it looks like outdoors with the hand on there and changing the different light levels. I hope you enjoy the product, that this is something that you're looking for your headlight needs, camping, working around the car, automobile, and more. Thank you for viewing.